the suggestion that for the BJP this is a challenge, this is a prestige battle, but for the Trinamool this is a survival battle, this particular upcoming election. And when that question was asked, Mamata Banerjee said it no less than 3 times yesterday on this stage. She said, "Jo dar gaya, wo mar gaya." She kept repeating that phrase over and over again.
She was saying that to herself because she is scared. She is scared. So actually she is seeing that on the mirror and she is telling herself, जैसे हम लोग कभी कभी कैमरा के सामने बोलते हैं ना, आईने के सामने बोलते हैं, बेटा अच्छा लग रहा है, ये सूट ठीक है, ये एग्जाम पास हो जाएगा. If you're going to play a cricket match today, I'm going to concentrate. I'm not going to sneak a ball outside the off stump. So like you tell yourself, you speak to yourself. Cricketers do that. Mamata Didi khud, she is scared. And whatever she said that 3 times, right?
Yeah.
So she reminded herself 3 times, jo dar gaya, wo mar gaya. So it is something that she's telling herself. Please don't connect it to people outside. People in Bengal, they were bulldozed by Mamata Banerjee and her men. All the goons, all that, that surrounded Didi did not, and was blessed by Didi, because I don't think that this kind of anarchy can happen in a state without the blessings, or as we say in Bengal, Anuprerana of the Chief Minister. She has orchestrated the entire, mayhem that has happened here, sometimes with her quietness and sometimes by being vocal. So in 10 years, if you ask me as an outsider, see, I left Kolkata at the early age of 21, 22. I've really traveled the world. Yeah. My music took me everywhere. I think that, that small ad that comes in television where a child says that I go with my father to play golf every Sunday, and I see that he has a lot of opponents but no enemies. So yes, the government at the center could be that of an opponent party, but why turn them into enemies? And by doing that, you're actually depriving the people of what they have, what they deserve. And that is, and the mathematics show that she has not done what needed to be done for Bengal, and that's why I'm saying that federal structure, which is the essence of our constitution, needs to be reinstated back in, in Bengal. Anuprerana word has to have its real meaning, and this porivartan that she brought, people now want poritran from it. They want to escape. They want to save themselves from that porivartan. So that's what it is. And I have grown up seeing Mamata Banerjee. I have really never seen what would I say, whether it is the demeanor of the entire government, the administration, the police being politicized, corrupted, criminalized in this manner, where people say, you ask someone during the elections, when have the people got a real chance to vote their own leaders into power? They don't, because her goons are everywhere. Her own pet guy, I want to name him, says that Anuprerana is standing in every corner of the road. Now he refers to Anuprerana as goons of Trinamool standing in every corner. So people who are going to the polling booths, are trying to go to the polling booths, are going to be sent back to their homes, and someone else is going to do chappa vote, as we call in Bengal, for them. And I have experienced that, Shiv, so many times. I've experienced that for so many years, in 6 years. Every election day, my car got broken, our leaders got beaten up, and entire day, everywhere polls happened, but only Bengal stayed in the limelight. So that is not what Bengal is all about. We have destroyed the name Bengal, the elan of Bengal.